Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to secure your iPhone. Securing your iPhone, including any of the best iPhones, can be done in several ways. Here are some of the most crucial steps you can take. Employ all, some, or even one or two methods to protect the device further. First, go to Settings and select Password and Security. Turn on two-factor authentications. This will prevent someone else from accessing your account without entering a one-time code to confirm your identity. The method 2, go to Settings, scroll down the list of your apps, and tap into each one and select Permissions. Make sure location is set to never or for ones that required location, that it's set to while using the app. Some apps will include as default access to everything from your camera to Face ID, Bluetooth, photos, and more when it's particularly necessary to do so. Method 3. Go to Settings and App Store. Turn on App Updates. Sometimes, these app updates include critical security patches, so it's important to keep them updated as soon as an update is available. Method 4. Privacy and Security. Select Tracking, and then disable Allow apps to request to track. With these features, you'll get personalized ads. Turning this off will limit, if not eliminate, this data sharing. You can also revoke precise location tracking in iOS. Make sure your Apple ID uses a secure password that includes a series of letters, numbers, and special characters that aren't easy to guess. Make a habit of changing the password every few months as well. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.